while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hello beautifuls, it's Beauty Madness. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an easy way to remove unwanted hair with no pain, no wax or shaving. Just do this and after a few minutes your hair will fall by itself. But make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never missing any of awesome effective remedies. So let's get started. The first thing you need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and you can't use baking powder because it's not gonna work the same. And then we will need to add on it around 50 ml of very hot water. You can't add cold water. And once it bubbles like that, so it's ready to use. Okay my friends, now dip a cotton ball in this mixture and apply it on the skin that has the unwanted hair. It works for underarms, works for all hair types. So apply it on the area that you want to remove the unwanted hair on and leave it to dry out for 30 minutes. Then wash it off with water. Really, it's very effective remedy. So friends, after you do this, you need to moisturize your skin with any natural moisturizer like aloe vera gel or olive oil.
Here our video ends for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you like this video, don't forget to press like and let me know what you want to see next in a comment below. Subscribe if you don't miss out. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye bye.